Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
MKVToolNix, step-by-step guide how to solve bugs and errors. So here, sometimes MKVToolNix may lag at the progressing time. All you need to do is to stop the lag and stop the MKVToolNix. All you need to do is open up your task manager right here. After opening your task manager right there, just click on the app, MKVToolNix, and then end that task. There you go. That's how you do it. Just end the task, will work perfectly. Another way of doing it is just updating it. So I suggest going to your browser or just Windows right here, then type in MKV MKV Tool Nix update. You can just do that. Oopsie. All right. Update right there. Now find MKV Tool Nix right here. So you see right there. Doing that, just download the MKVToolNix. After downloading the MKVToolNix, where you go? Oh, there we go, right here. Download the MKVToolNix right here. After downloading it, it will auto update the MKVToolNix. Yeah, that's all you need to do. And the third way of fixing the bug from your MKVToolNix is by just call this restarting your PC. Sometimes restarting your PC is one of the core things you can do, because when you restart it, restart everything, it will go okay. Don't just shut it down then open it. That's the wrong way of doing it, of fixing an app or something. When you don't know how to fix it, that's the wrong way. Just restart it and it will restart as fresh as new. So I suggest doing the restart button instead of shutting it down, then just opening it again. Yeah, it won't work. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's the ways you can fix it. If you have any more questions, if you have any more concerns, you can type in the comment section below. And there. And if all else fails, you can do is click on help. And after clicking on help, you can click on report a bug. So this one will notify the developers that there's a bug in their I'll call this in their website. I mean application. So and they will try to fix it. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.